guys, we have a Chanel unboxing. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. Okay, so I figured let's just jump right into the unboxing. I'm not gonna lie, this is either not the first time I unboxed this, and two, it didn't come in a Chanel bag. This was really for like clickbait reasons, but let's just get into it. Okay, so this is how the box came. It's if you can tell, it's very destroyed. I don't know what happened to it in transit, but this box actually came from season 2 consign, and I'm so excited about this because when I first saw this on the Instagram story, I was like, okay, this is stunning, I need this. However, should someone else pick this up, because I know how quickly things sell with season 2, should someone buy this? It's not meant to be, right? Like, it's the universe was telling me that this was not meant to be mine. However, no one got it, so I got it. Okay, so it doesn't come with a box or dust bag. It really just came with this season 2 consigned dust bag, which if you guys remember, when I was in Miami with season 2 back in June, I got to like feel these dust bags firsthand, and we were talking about how like they should maybe make sweatshirts out of this. I know that's like a completely different topic, but these are so soft. I would wear this all day. Okay, here she is. This is the Chanel backpack. I want to say this is the business Affinity, but if I'm completely off base here, I'll put the right name up here. But I love her. It's in this, I feel like, I don't know if it's doing it justice like on my phone while I'm filming, but the color is absolutely stunning. It's kind of this like pink, but it's almost like a dusty pink. It's not super like, it's not like a bright pink, and it's a little bit more muted, and I love it. So I got this bag from season 2 consign, and I genuinely love them so much. I started following them probably in like 2020 when I first started out on TikTok, and I think they were just starting their business as well. So season 2 does live shopping on their website and on Instagram, and when they first started doing these, I would like join them and just like hang out and like watch their lives just because it was fun, and I loved their energy, and I feel like I genuinely got to know them, even being like across the country. Like I feel like I got a good sense of them, and like and so I feel like our friendship like kind of started from there, and then I flew to Miami with them and Lou, and so it was great. So honestly, like genuinely speaking, season 2 is really one of the few places that I continue to recommend to shop and consign with, and having a consigner / consignment store that you trust is so important because these are high priced items, right? Like God forbid you get scammed or anything bad happens. Like I feel like I couldn't recommend someone that I didn't genuinely work with and trust. So I highly recommend them. Monica and Erica is absolutely amazing, and you're gonna be in great hands. But I figured I would give you guys like a quick like what's in my bag. If you wanted to see a more detailed what's in my bag, I'll have it in the description box below for TikTok. This one I'm really gonna talk about what fits in the bag and then what doesn't fit in the bag, because I feel like that's kind of important too. And I also don't normally stuff my bags to the brim, let alone this is a pretty big bag, and so I don't normally carry that much stuff around. So I'll give you guys kind of what fits / what doesn't fit, and then we'll get into first impressions / review and everything like that. So I have a regular iPad 8, and it does not fit in this bag. An iPad mini might. It's just a little bit like slightly too tall, so it doesn't fit. Obviously, with that said, a MacBook Pro, any kind of MacBook would also not fit in this bag. However, a book does fit in this bag. So if you like to read, or you've been like trying to read a little bit more, it does fit in this bag. A full-size water bottle, like a regular 16-ounce water bottle, also fits in the bag. I normally use kind of like a bigger tumbler, which doesn't fit, unfortunately, but it does fit a regular water bottle. A full-size wallet also fits in this bag. You can stand it up, you can put it to the side, however you'd like. I don't really use my full-size wallet anymore, but I'm glad to know it fits in the bag. So as you can tell, it's not a full set, so it doesn't come with the box, it doesn't come with the dust bag. It does, however, come with the authenticity card, and season 2 did verify it like with Entropy, so it is like certified authentic, all of that. So I'm not worried about like the authenticity, but this bag is from 2017 / 2018. It's a 24 series, so it is a little bit older, so there is going to be some visible wear and tear on this bag. The biggest signs of wear and tear I would say are probably on like the color, like near the hardware. There's been a little bit of discoloration from the metal, and a little bit of like scratches here and there, and then you also see it towards like the back here from like adjusting the strap. While we're kind of in here, something that I really like about this bag is that there is a like leather key thing that you could like attach your keys to hypothetically, and I love that it's just like you can grab it and find it and go, because sometimes like the bags that are a little bit bigger, like it's hard to like dig around and find your keys, you know? So I really like that it's the little details. It's the little details, and I love that it has just this little clip that you can clip onto your keys. So this is kind of how you open and close the bag. So you cinch it in here, and then you put the flap back over, and then you turn the lock here. And I want to say it's like a pro and a con for like how you open / get in and out of the bag, because it's a pro because hypothetically, if you are living somewhere where there are pickpocketers, or like in general, this is a bag that's like on your back, right? So you're not really like holding on to it. You're not like carrying it from the side. So if someone were to walk up next to you and like try to steal something from your bag, like your wallet or your phone or whatever else in your bag, right? It's harder to get in and out of. That I would say is a pro. I think just for a little bit extra security, because it is hard to get in and out of, and you're wearing on your back, so you're not like just having to feel like you need to keep an eye on it at all times. However, it is a con, because if you are trying to like get in and out of your bag a lot, like let's say you're running errands, or you're a mom and you want to like reach in for like wipes or snacks or whatever else you're using for this bag, it could get a little bit frustrating just to be like going in and out of the bag for. However, they also have this like pocket here for like, I would keep my card holder in here. I think this is a great pocket for easy access. And then they also have another pocket in the back. I feel like Chanel does this quite a bit, but they have little back pockets as well. So you could probably put your card holder here, or just like receipts or whatever else you want to put in the back, just for a little bit easier, so you're not constantly going in and out of the main flap. I kind of touched on the color already, but I love that it's with gold hardware. You guys know I'm a gold hardware kind of gal, and there's very light scratching on the hardware, but it's definitely not visible by any means, and like you definitely have to look very closely for it. So I think in terms of the actual wear and tear for this bag, all things considered, it's a 5-year-old bag. It's a 24 series. I think they kept this in pretty good condition, so I'm very excited about it. In terms of the size, this is what it looks like in comparison to the Palm Springs Mini. It does look a little bit bigger, and I would say maybe like 1.5 times bigger than the Palm Springs Mini. Granted, this is pretty small, so I feel like this bag would be perfect for like a day trip. I feel like when I am using the Palm Springs Mini backpack as a day trip bag, it doesn't fit everything that I need. So this would be great, especially if you want to carry snacks, your water, your wallet, anything else that you would kind of need for the rest of the day, especially if you're going on a day trip or you're just going to be out and about all day that you're not going to come home. So I really like that. I am actually going to San Diego and Orange County soon, so I'm excited to bring this because I will then need a day trip kind of bag, and I'm so excited to style this. I think this would match really well with a lot of the clothes that I wear already, so I don't think it's going to be too difficult to style, so I'm very excited. Because it is leather, it's obviously heavier than the Palm Springs Mini. I mean, this is canvas, and because this is canvas, it's also a little bit more carefree compared to the caviar leather, but I don't think you're going to have to baby this all that much. I personally don't plan on babying this all that much either. I do plan on using this as kind of a day trip kind of bag, something I can just grab and go, and something that fits more than my normal like sized bags. Overall, I love her. Thank you, season 2, for finding this for me. I do actually have a discount code with season 2. I'll leave it in the description box below, but also up here. I don't make commission off of it. I genuinely just love them and wanted to work with them, and so I asked them, I was like, hey, like if you have a discount code, like I can share with my followers, let me know. So I don't have any skin in the game, honestly, but if you want to use it and save some money, it is there for a reason. I'll also have their Instagram linked in the description box below if you're interested in shopping their stuff. Join their lives because everything on their lives sell like this. Anything that's left over will be listed on their Instagram stories. But even then, things sell very, very quickly. Like, let that be a warning for you. Things sell very quickly with season 2. So you have to get on it if there's anything that you like. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!